Good morning, 501. Here we are with our second example problem. Jacob bought 7.5 pounds of meatballs. He decided to cook 1 1/4 pounds and freeze the rest. How many pounds did he freeze? So I know he's freezing whatever he has left over, and I know he has 7.5 pounds, and he decided to cook. So he's taking away, because he's cooking it, he had to take it away to cook it, 1 1/4 pounds. So I know if I subtract 1 1/4, the amount that he cooked, from the total that he had, 7.5, it'll tell me how many pounds he froze. Now again, I need to find common denominators, so I will list all of the multiples of 2, because 2 is my first denominator. 2, 4, 6, 8, and then I'll list some multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12. So I see that they both have 4, and they both also have 8. But I'm going to take the least common denominator, which will be 4. So my fraction, or my mixed number that already has a 4 as the denominator, I do not have to change. I do have to change 1/2. So I will take 1/2, and I will multiply it by 2. And I know this because 2 times 2 equals 4. Whatever I do to the denominator, I must do to the numerator. And I want to create a denominator of 4. So 2 times 2 will equal 4. 1 times 2 equals 2. Now I can rewrite my first mixed number, and I can subtract. I can do 7, and now it's 2/4 minus 1 1/4. I will subtract my fractions first. 2/4 minus 1/4 is 1/4. And 7 minus 1 is 6. But since it was asked to me in a question, I must write an answer statement. He froze 6 1/4 pounds.